We all are together in these unusual circumstances, but I hope all you moms out there had a kick-ass Mother's Day. So keep the spirits high, keep the smile on, and yes, keep the cape on too. You're my superhero. This is what I'm doing on Mother's Day. Working out while making Rasha study for her exams. But we have to stay fit, stay fine, stay indoors, and kids have to study. So what is cognitive?
Where you learn the new skill.
Blow to candle at least, na, right?
Okay, with this thing these days, COVID ka zaman.
अच्छा हाँ right हाँ हाँ
Happy Mother's Day,
Dear
Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day to you.
ऐसे ही काट रहे हैं
This Mother's Day, we are all going to get these little cards and we're going to go ooh and ah. But I want to tell you what mothers really want for Mother's Day, or at least what I want for Mother's Day. I want to be free of all responsibilities for an entire day. I don't want anyone to ask me any questions. Don't ask me where's your blue t-shirt. Don't ask me which bottle your dragon toy has fallen into. Don't ask me what is 15 plus 73. Don't ask me what's going to happen to your A-level exams. Don't ask me what's for lunch. Don't ask me when you can go and meet your friend Ishika. Don't ask me when the lockdown will lift. In fact, for the rest of the day, I would prefer it if you don't even call me mummy and call me auntie, so that I actually feel free of all responsibilities. Some of you watching this may think I'm a terrible mom, and sometimes I also wonder the same thing, especially when my little one, when she doesn't get her way, looks at me and says, bad mama. But deep down, I don't think I'm a bad mom. I think I'm a badass mom, though I have a perfectly fine posterior. So here's wishing all you badass moms out there a happy Mother's Day, and to the ones with a good ass, a happy Mother's Day to you as well.
Filling and Oreo, and then you can put a Ferrero Rocher on the top for decoration. This is how you make a Mother's Day cake in quarantine. You can use some Kit Kats as the border of the cake. Then you can fill it with some peanut butter and put a Lotus biscuit on the top. Then you can fill it with some Hershey's, some caramel.
Hey guys, wishing all the mothers out there a very very happy Mother's Day. मेरे लिए थोड़ा अजीब दिन था because of reasons that I'm sure all of you understand, but it feels nice to see so many people who love their mother, and at the same time I guess it's bittersweet for somebody like me who would want to say it but can't. So I थोड़ा गुस्सा आया, थोड़ी irritation हुई, but then eventually I realized that I wanted to put this out there. I'm sure a lot of people are without their parents right now in lockdown. A lot of you all are maybe not connected to them, not able to feel the warmth that you would crave. And trust me when I say this, phone उठा के बात कर लो. जब phone है तो ignore मत करो. Because after all this is done, we'll go back to our lives and it'll be back to normal at some point. But the relationships that we all crave, they're there within us and around us, but we need Mother's Day, Father's Day, Brother's Day, Sister's Day to realize it. I just wanted to say to all the mothers out there, thank you. I wanted to say this to all the single parents out there, thank you, like I always do, to all the kids out there who actually care about their mothers. phone उठाया करो, I love you बोला करो, मम्मी जब हग करना चाहती है तो हग करने दिया करो. और हाँ यार, just I don't know, I'm just talking shit, I guess. It's just लॉकडाउन में थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा, लेकिन सबके पोस्ट देख के अच्छा भी लगा. Lots of love and happy Mother's Day to all of you.
To whoever raised you, loved you, taught you right from wrong, kissed your wounds, hugged you after a heartbreak, or sat front row at your school play, today is for them. Mother's Day is more touching this year than ever before, with a lot of us far away from our loved ones.
Surprise! Oh my god, ये क्या है बेटा? That is a meal for you. इतना सारा कैसे? Yes. So I have spent my entire day doing all the chores that you do so effortlessly. So I promise that I'm going to always give you a hand whenever I'm at home and make sure I do things and learn things from you which I could never know on my own. And there is this special meal that's just for you. I love you so much. Oh god. Happy Mother's Day. Say please. Nico, happy Mother's Day. Sorry.
A very happy Mother's Day to all of you. Mothers always love and protect us unconditionally. I think it's a great day to show your love for them. I think whether you're 10, 20, 30 or 40, it doesn't matter how old you are, you're always a newborn to them. Well, I believe that my mother has given me birth twice. One obviously when I was born and second when I went through cancer. Never she showed any emotion. She was always very strong for me. And she really helped me through my journey. And I'm sure that आपकी भी जो मम्मी है, in your tough times, she's always been there for you as a friend. I believe my mother has always been my best friend. I can talk to her about anything. And in these tough times of coronavirus, my mother has been cooking every day for me, just like when I was a young kid. And it makes you feel very special that she always shows unconditional.
In the red bed.
Yes, and then?
Into the bed.
And then?
He falls inside the bed.
Oh wow, and then what happens?
He flies.
In his dream, no? He sleeps and he goes in his dream and he flies and then?
And he goes in the water.
He goes in the water and then?
He flies.
Wow! And then? What happens in his dream?
Nothing goes
Then what happens? Where does he come?
in the store.
Yeah, no, he comes back home because the dream gets over. And now what happened? Now what is happening? He's back home and
ओके
हाँ माँ.
मदर्स डे पे सबने अपनी अपनी मम्मियों के साथ में सेल्फी डाली, तूने अभी तक मेरे साथ तो कुछ क्यों नहीं डाला?
मम्मी मुझे एक एक पोस्ट के पता है कितने लाख मिलते हैं, दोगे?
1 लाख दूंगी। भोपाल वाली बुआ सुबह से 2 बार फोन कर चुकी है और तूने अभी तक कुछ नहीं डाला। चुपचाप करके डाल दे मेरे साथ एक सेल्फी।
15 नंबर मेरे लिए बहुत लकी साबित हो रहा है. बताऊं क्यों? 15 फरवरी को मेरी बेटी समीशा पैदा हुई. 15 अप्रैल को ये 2 महीने की होने वाली है. और 15 अप्रैल को टिकटॉक पे मेरे 15 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हो गए. थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू सो मच. तहे दिल से शुक्रिया. लव यू गाइस.